So my name is Logan Cox. I work with 4Ts. I've been in the industry for about 2 years now. So we are currently in Lincolnton, North Carolina. We are building a deck on the back of this house. We use FrogTape, painters and masking tape for all of our other houses because we know it's a quality product and it doesn't mess up the hardwoods and floors that we put stuff on. So we decided to reach for the FrogTape Pro Grade deck and joist flashing tape as well, just because of the reputation we have with FrogTape so far. So the lumber pack we have currently out here for the deck we're building has sat out in the weather for a couple days where it did get rained on, and with it being the green board, it held a little bit of moisture. The tape still had no issues adhering to it, even with a little bit of dust and dirt on the lumber itself. Definitely would recommend this to other people to use, mostly because of the reputation FrogTape has with all their products, and we see it working good on the lumber we've used so far today. So for flashing tape, why it's important is because of the lumber that's sitting on the edge of the houses and with the siding that goes on the house. We use flashing to waterproof it, and so that way water cannot get in between the boards of the deck and the siding of the house to cause future water damage. With a non-flash deck, even if you use like green lumber, you can still experience some water damage. And the main benefit of using flashing on a deck versus not is the ability for the siding to sit over top of the flashing, so that way water runs off of the wood and doesn't go in between where the house is and the deck. The FrogTape Pro Grade flashing tape performed really well. Didn't have a lot of issues with it. Stick it together and pull it apart and still use it on the lumber. It didn't cause any issues where we had to waste tape. With other tapes, they have the liner on the inside that can cause an issue. The tape folds up on itself, and once you stick it to something, it's very hard and can mess stuff up when you pull it off to reapply it. With this stuff, we had no issues with that at all.